Photography. It's just like any other hobby. If you put in the work, you will surely get the results. The satisfaction of knowing that you have created something for the sheer pleasure of it, for your personal fulfillment. However, given that in 2026 tech prices have skyrocketed, this is not a cheap hobby at all. Now, there's nothing more budget-friendly out there than the Micro Four Thirds system, and given that I have purchased, sold, used and tested more than 100 cameras and lenses over the past year, I figured it's only fitting that I present to you the most bang for the buck options out there. So basically, I want to help you set up your first Micro Four Thirds camera system on the cheap. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean bad performance, so stick around to find out what each and every one of these lenses and cameras is capable of, what are its highlights, and what you should be avoiding when approaching such a hobby. So stick around and find out.